Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to install the apps and games from the Google Play Store onto your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to install apps and games from the Play Store on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in bluestacks.com like this and hit enter. We'll be first required to install the Bluestack emulator on our computer, because it's one of the only ways we can download apps and the games from the Play Store is the emulator system. Now to download and install the games on our computer, first let's download the Bluestack. If your computer is awesome, then click on download Bluestack Stem. But if your computer is integrated with a minimal requirements, click on download Bluestack 5. For me, I'll be clicking on the Bluestacks 10, and you can see guys, download has begun and it has been finished. After downloading the Bluestacks, install it on your computer directly and open it, but I have already downloaded and installed the Bluestack X, so I will not be required to install it. But after installing your Bluestack X on your computer, open it like this, where you can see the similar kind of interface. Let's go to the home, and on the top right corner of your screen, just beside the question mark, there is the profile picture icon. Click over there and sign in to your Facebook or your Discord or your Google Play Store account over here. And after that, under the home section of the Bluestack X, you can see the Google Play Store available over here. To install games and apps from the Google Play Store on your computer, first let's open the Google Play Store and let's wait for it open. It can take a minute or two, and you can see it has started. The Bluestacks app player has started. And you can see the Google Play Store has been initialized. When you first open your Google Play Store on your Bluestack app player, the Google Play Store will require you to log into your Google account on the Play Store first. So because I have already logged into my app store, I'll not be logged in. But on the first interface, instead of the Play Store opening, you will be seeing the login page of Google. And you can see guys, we have successfully opened the Google Play Store on our computer. Now you can install apps like Trust Wallet from the Google Play Store onto your computer. You can see I have already installed the Trust Wallet on my computer. There is the update button. Let's update it and let's go back. And after that, you can also install games from over here, like the Subway Surfer or the Mobile Legends over here, and click on enter. And you can see there is the Mobile Legends Bang Bang by the Moontown itself, and click on install. And after it has been installed, it will be available on the home section. And to go to your home section, you can see all these buttons available at the right side of your screen, and on the bottom of the screen there is the home icon. Click on the home icon, and over here is the Trust Wallet available over here. And after a few moments of downloading, finishing the download of the Mobile Legends, it will be also installed on our computer. Let's go back, let's go home again, and let's wait for it to install, and you'll be able to play it. Let's click on Trust Wallet, and there guys, you can see the app has been successfully installed and it's opening on our Bluestack over here. But I have not yet created an account on Bluestack, so it's showing me the login page on my computer, and there is the Bluestack. And after the game has been installed, you can also play games over here on your computer from the Play Store itself. And there guys, this is how you install apps and games from the Google Play Store itself. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.